So your PC storage is running out quickly and you have no choice but to reinstall Windows again, right? Well, don't worry, I'm here to save the day. Reinstalling Windows is a great way to refresh the whole system, but there's also can be a reason why your PC storage is running out so quickly, and that is duplicate files. These duplicate files can stay anywhere in your PC and you might not be aware of that. So that's why in this video I'm going to show you how you can find and delete these duplicate files from your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. So before starting, make sure to hit the like and subscribe. Majority of the people who watch my video don't actually subscribe to the channel, so guys, please show some support. Now first thing first, let's find out how you can find these duplicate files at once. So for that, open up your CMD as administrator, and here you have to type a command to go to the directory first. So type in cd and the file path you have copied before and hit enter. Again, type in another command, that is dir/s/b*.extension. Here the dir is directory, the /s is subdirectory, and /b tells to display the files without metadata. And here let's say the file extension is .png. This command will show you every PNG file in that directory. Here if I press enter, you can see all the PNG files are here. Now to delete duplicate files, you have to type in another command, that is del quotation mark or the inverted commas, whatever you call them, *copy.extension. In my case it's .png. The reason I'm typing -copy is because here if I copy this image and paste it here, you can see that it already has a little word called -copy. So that's why I'm typing it. Then press enter and it will delete all the duplicate files. It's that simple. Now there's also a problem is that if I copy this file several times, you can see that it already has these numbers like 2, 3, 4, etc. If you want to delete the duplicate files using CMD, it is possible, but it will be a tough work. So that's why you can use a third-party software to make your work easier. My favorite tools are CCleaner and Search My Files. CCleaner comes with free and paid plans, but Search My File is totally free. Again, links are down in the description below. However, in this video I will show you how you can use CCleaner to delete duplicate files. So open up your browser and search for CCleaner. And go to the website. Click on free download and simply install it. Then open up CCleaner and from here go to tools. Click on duplicate finders. From here you can choose how you want to search your duplicate files. Whether you want to match them by name, size, modified date or content. Then here you can also choose which files to ignore. Then you can also choose which drive you want to scan. But let's say I want to scan a specific folder. So how can I do that? Just click on this add, then here click on browse and select the drive. Then you can choose the file type like PNG, JPG, MP4, MKV or AVI or etc. Or if you don't know any of that, then just choose all files. And down here you can choose include files only or include files and subfolders. If you have subfolders within these folders, then you can choose the second option and click on OK. I will add a second folder as well because I created it actually. Then click on search, it will show you the result. From here you can delete the duplicate files. One of the features that I like of this application is that if you choose one of them, you can choose the second one. This actually helps you to keep one of them. So after selecting the duplicate files, click on delete selected and OK. And OK again, and this will delete all the duplicate files. So that's it guys, thanks for watching till the end. And if you ask me which one is more effective, the CMD hack or the software, then I'm gonna say both are good in their own ways. It's up to you what's more effective. And let me know in the comments which one worked out for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys, and if you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to get new videos like this. As always, my name is Simon and I'll see you in the next one.